Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix escape the backrooms crashing and startup problem. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Now once this opens, go to display, scroll down till you find the graphics. Now in the list, you wanna type in escape the backrooms. And if you cannot find it, you wanna add it either from the desktop or from the Microsoft Store app. And after you add it, you want to expand it, and then it will be set to let Windows aside. You want to switch it to high performance. After you switch it, you want to exit out of this, open Steam or Xbox, find the game. You want to right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and then verify the integrity of the game files. And after you've done that, and you want to move the installed folder to local disk C if you have more than one hard drive where your game is installed on secondary drive, not your main where your Windows is installed. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this. And if that doesn't help, you can always try reinstalling the game. And even if that doesn't help somehow, you can, a last cause, obviously reinstall Windows, but that's a last resort. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix escape the backrooms crashing on startup. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.